Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending this press conference. Today, Johnson & Johnson would like to address public concern regarding Johnson's baby powder. Recent reports and lawsuits have raised serious questions about the safety of this product. We understand the public concern and take it very seriously. Our goal today is to provide a transparent update and explain the steps the company is taking. With me today are our CEO and our Product Safety Director. They will provide details about the situation and our response. I will now invite our CEO to begin the briefing.
Thank you. We acknowledge the concerns raised by consumers regarding Johnson baby powder. While decades of scientific research, we support the product safety. We understand public concern given the lawsuit claiming possible health risks. Currently, the crisis is in the recovery stage. We have stopped selling talc-based baby powder in United States and Canada to focus on addressing consumers' concern and rebuild trust. Consumer safety remains our top priority, and we are committed to handling this situation responsibly and transparently.
Many consumers are worried because they have used Johnson baby powder for years. Some fear developing cancer. How does the company respond?
We completely understand these fears. Scientific evidence supports the safety of our talc-based baby powder, but we recognize that public trust has been affected. We are committed to transparency and addressing concerns openly.
Some critics claim the company knew about potential risks for years but continued selling the product. How do you respond?
Johnson & Johnson maintains that our talc products are safe and do not contain asbestos. We follow strict regulatory standards and testing procedures. Nonetheless, we understand public confidence and have been affected and are committed to transparency.
Product Safety Director, can you explain how Johnson & Johnson ensure product safety and addresses these allegations?
At Johnson & Johnson, product safety is very important. The talc used in Johnson baby powder is tested many times before it is sold to consumers. This includes checking the raw material, cleaning the talc, and doing several lab tests to make sure it meets safety standards. We also test the finished product regularly to make sure there are no harmful substances, including asbestos, using sensitive testing method. Because people have concern, we also ask independent third parties to check the safety of the product. Inside the company, we are reviewing our process, improving our procedures, checking supplier more carefully, and keeping better record. Consumer safety is part of our company culture, and we will continue working to improve it.
If the company believes the product is safe, why stop selling it in North America?
The decision was based on this declining consumer demand, widespread misinformation, and ongoing lawsuit. We wanted to focus on alternative product while responsibly addressing public concerns.
What is the company doing to rebuild trust and communicate with the public?
Thank you for the question. Johnson & Johnson is taking quick action to communicate with the public. We have a special crisis communication team that works with the CEO, product safety team, legal expert, and government authorities to make sure all information shared is correct and consistent. We share updates through press release, press conference, our website, and social media so consumers, healthcare workers, and other stakeholders can get clear information. We also talk with consumer groups and healthcare providers and answer customers' questions through hotlines and online platforms. At the same time, we monitor news and public feedback so we can respond quickly to concern or wrong information. Our main goal is to be transparent, clear, and responsible to rebuild public trust.
How is Johnson & Johnson managing this crisis internally?
Internally, Johnson & Johnson has created a crisis response team. The team includes research scientists, quality control staff, and regulatory experts. They are reviewing all past and current safety data to make sure nothing is missing. We have also improved training for quality control teams, strengthened check on supplier, and use advanced technology like electron microscope to detect very small contaminate in raw material before production. All results are recorded and shared with regulator and the public to keep transparency and accountability.
From a communication perspective, we have implemented a structured plan to ensure consistent, accurate messaging across all channels. This includes weekly updates for regulators, coordinate press briefings, and proactive engagement with consumer and healthcare communities. Our goal is to rebuild trust and demonstrate that Johnson & Johnson is taking the concern seriously and acting responsibly. We aim for transparency not just in words but also through clear actions and follow-up updates.
Finally, what step will Johnson & Johnson take to prevent similar controversies in the future?
Johnson & Johnson is implementing a multi-layer safety review process for all products. This includes enhanced supplier audit, additional testing protocol, and ongoing third-party verification of high-risk raw material. We are also investing in research to develop safer formulation, and every new product launch will undergo a more rigorous review for potential safety risks. This measure aims to prevent future controversies and ensure the consumer safety is never compromised.
We are committed to rebuilding trust by maintaining transparency, improving communication, and acting responsibly. We are sincerely apologize for the concern caused, and we will continue to ensure the safety and integrity of our product.
Thank you to everyone for attending today's press conference. Johnson & Johnson remains committed to addressing this issue responsibly and communicating openly with all consumers and stakeholders. We appreciate your time and attention.